It's crazy to think it's been over 3,800 days to get here. I know in my heart and soul, on that pier in South Haven, that I found my forever. I told you years ago on that boardwalk that I was going to marry you, and today I finally get to fulfill that promise.
There is no other person that I look to in the middle of the unknown in times of uncertainty. To know you is to love you. It comes easy and natural. You're my best friend and my confidant. You are the calm to my storm. You're the only one who can make me laugh when all I want to do is cry. It's been an honor to be by your side for a third of my life and to have experienced the opportunity to love you through so many seasons. Beautiful soul and understanding heart. The truth is, I knew it all along. It was always you.
I didn't want to make a fuss and don't get out of your suit. You look beautiful. Thank you. I love you.
Anthony and Lauren, having declared your love and commitment to each other in the presence of your friends and family, and by the authority vested in me by the state of Michigan, I am honored to pronounce you husband and wife. Anthony, you may now kiss your bride. It is my pleasure to announce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Anthony Hostman.
Introduced us to Anthony. It didn't take long for us to see that he was someone special. There is an ease and comfort between them that speaks louder than any words. Anthony treats Lauren with respect and patience and a genuine affection. He brings out the best in her, and she brings out the best in him. And as parents, that's all that you could hope for.
Watching the two of them together, you can see how they make each other better. They support one another without hesitation, they laugh together without restraint, and they face life's challenges side by side. Always pursue her and keep dating her, because we are two of the luckiest guys in the world to marry such amazing sisters.
Lauren and Anthony, I love you both so much. And in the words of my son Wyatt, when you shared the news of your engagement, this is the best day of my life, now get me some cousins. So if everybody can raise their glass, cheers to Lauren and Anthony. We love you.